Another controversial arrest in Monroe County is captured on a cell phone and is going viral. An elderly man is pulled out of his car. As he raises his arms over his head, he is inexplicably tased by an officer.
Oh, God. Oh, he's just an old man.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
What the? Oh, God, you're going to get him. They tasered him. Is he alive?
Yeah, he'll be alive.
Oh, Jesus. What the fuck happened? Oh, God, he's all limp.
We wondered what he was charged with, but when we went to the Monroe County Sheriff's website showing arrests for that day, the old-timer was not on the list. There he was, tased and handcuffed on the roadway, and there seemed to be no record of it. In fact, according to the Florida Highway Patrol, the old man was taken to a mental health facility under the Baker Act. Under the law, most of the record of this controversial arrest is set to remain confidential. However, under the Act, mentally ill people have a right to individual dignity. It reads, "It is the policy of this state that the individual dignity of the patient shall be respected at all times and upon all occasions, including any occasion when the patient is taken into custody, held, or transported. Restraining devices utilized for those accused of crime shall not be used."
Let it go. Let it go.
What the?
Shall not be used. The man in the video appears compliant. Under Florida's taser statute, the decision by a law enforcement officer to use a dart-firing stun gun must involve an arrest where the subject escalates resistance to the officer from passive physical resistance to active physical resistance, and the person has the apparent ability to physically threaten the officer. Florida Highway Patrol officials are expected to make a decision on whether to discipline the troopers involved.